Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to take a look at the different uses of the word get and give you different situations in which the verb can be utilized. Not only does it have a lot of meanings on its own, but also several more when combined with a prepositional adverb to create a phrasal verb. Let's dive into it. The word get can mean obtain, like in I need to get some files from the archives. It can also mean take. She gets the train to work every day. Another meaning can be receive. Did you get my email yesterday? It can also mean buy. We must get some milk. In some situations, it can mean become. You can get better at English. You can also use it as arrive. When do you think you'll get here? It can also mean understand. I didn't get what he said. In some cases, you can use it as making something happen. You should get your hair cut. The verb can also be used to create a phrasal verb. Let's discover some examples. Get on or off means to enter or descend from a train or bus. To get in or out means enter or exit a car or a swimming pool, for example. To get up means to leave your bed in the morning. Get over means recover from a sickness or difficult situation. To get on or along with is to have a good relationship. To get away with is to do something and not be caught or punished. To get by means survive or manage. And to get across means successfully communicate an idea. Another use of get is in the passive form. We usually make the passive form with the verb to be and the past participle of a verb. For example, their car was stolen last night. But as an alternative in an informal situation, we can use get instead of the verb to be. For example, their car got stolen last night. Did we miss any use of the word get? Let us know in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more.